I mean, what's not to love about lemon icebox pie? First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a lemon. I am going to slice it down the middle. While I'm slicing it, I'm also going to slice one thin piece of lemon to decorate the top of the pie with while I'm at it. All right, I'm using 2 large lemons because we like it to be really tart. If you don't want it to be as tart, you can use a little less lemon juice. I like to use at least a ½ cup. All right, 2 cans of Eagle brand milk. And the yellows of 3 eggs, 3 egg yolks. Helps it get pretty color. And you don't want to put the whites in there because you're not supposed to eat raw egg whites. And I know some people put them in there, but I don't like to. So here we go. I'm gonna mix this up. Okay, let's get this in the crust. The egg helps this set up. A lot of people omit the egg, but it's better with it in there. So my mama always used it, so I suggest you do as well. You also want to use 2 cans of Eagle brand to get a nice big tall pie. This is the lemon. It's not quite all the way set up, but really close. Chris walked away, so I've been eating. It's not quite set up all the way, but it's so delicious. I mean, what's not to love about lemon icebox pie? Thanks for watching Collar Valley Cooks, where we cook like Mama did.